I've been doing dropshipping for the past 4 years and today could be the biggest day of my life. Today I'm gonna try to pull the world record for building the quickest Shopify store in 5 minutes or under, and I'm gonna make sure that this Shopify store works. So if you guys wanna find out if I'm gonna be able to pull this off or not, make sure you watch this video until the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh guys. My name is Ehsanszz and I've been doing dropshipping for the past 4 years, and today could be one of those days where I'm putting myself into a challenge. Today I'm gonna see if it's truly possible to completely build a Shopify store in 5 minutes or under using AI, of course, because it's 2024. If I'm not gonna take advantage of AI right now, when am I gonna take advantage of it? It's early and I think it's one of the best times to use AI in order to actually achieve success in whatever you're doing. So without a further ado, we're gonna jump into my screen and we're gonna put a timer of 5 minutes and see if we can pull this off or not. Alright, we have a 5-minute timer. All I'm gonna do is click on start, and as soon as I click on start, this video will not have a single piece of second cut out or anything except blurring the privacy information, of course, but other than that everything will be raw and you guys will see the whole process. So in 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna click on start and the timer has started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is paste this link which is in the description, guys. I'm gonna click on build my store. Now this is an AI that completely builds your store from A to Z. As you guys can see, I have never even tried this except the first 2 steps. First thing first, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on electronics and gadgets as a niche. So I'm gonna click on update. I am basically redoing the whole process just for you guys. I haven't completed it except the fact that I did 1 or 2 steps. Now here you guys can choose 2 different pictures. I'm gonna choose these 2. They look nice, so that's pretty good for me in my opinion. The next thing I'm gonna do is access Shopify. Now if you guys don't have Shopify, of course, all you have to do is literally sign up with Shopify hustlerseecom.ae@gmail.com. Alright, I am doing everything again from scratch, so I'm gonna click on skip all because we don't have much time. Again, I'm gonna choose UAE as next, and right over here I'm just gonna choose my email. So yeah, this is literally Shopify building us the basic store, but everything else will be furnished in BYS. So BYS is build your store. It basically gives you the access to AI that completely builds your whole store. So I think we have given the access to Shopify, I'm pretty sure. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on done. All right, I think we're good. All right, done. All right, we are done with that step. Let's get into the next step. How much time do you have? You have 3 minutes and 24 seconds. So I'm gonna first of all copy the URL. Okay, as shown in the image below. All right, I got it. Just copy this image URL, paste it, and click on save. All right, done. All right, good progress so far, but we are running out of time. We have 3 minutes. Okay, the next thing is grab your Shopify discount. So access Shopify, confirm basic. Okay, perfect. Access Shopify. And we have to choose a plan. So I'm gonna just click on done for now, but you guys have to go through this process in order to make sure everything works. So I'm gonna click on install app, and hopefully this works. Hopefully install. Let's see. Hopefully this is done. Oops, I have to add my payment method. Oh my god, I already have one. Please work. Please. Alright guys, my screen recording is paused because I am putting my main card information. So I'm gonna click on subscribe. Please work. I hope it works, guys. Alright, I hope it works. Oh my god, please just finish Dubai. Of course you guys gotta make sure that the information is actually correct. But for me, I'm just trying to finish it in 5 minutes or under. We have 1 minute and 44 seconds. I'm gonna click on verify payment. I think we're good. Please tell me we're good. All right, we are good. Alhamdulillah. We are in the last step, guys. Customize my store. They are customizing our store. It's literally AI customizing everything for us. And look at this. Like, how quick was that? Subhanallah. Look. All right, we got registered to AutoDS. All right, we're gonna click on register. We're gonna click on. Okay, so you guys need to register with AutoDS because they're gonna be taking care of you guys. So then we have TikTok ads credit. All right, if you guys spend $300, you get $600 in ad credit. That's insane. I swear to God. Get free ads credit. All right, I'm just gonna redeem them, but I'm not gonna be able to do it right now. But I'm gonna click on done. Come on, we have 53 seconds. I just need to publish my store. That's all I have to do. Publish your store. Access Shopify. All right. Is that the only thing that's left? We have 42 seconds. Okay. Restricted visitors. No password. Save. Please. Please tell me it's done. Please. Oh my god. This is literally done. It's basically a Shopify store that's completely done. And we have a winning product that, of course, is not a winning 100% right now. But this was a winning product. Oh my god. All right. We're actually done. Wait, we're actually done? Are we? All right, let me see. I think that's the last step. We have... All right, your Shopify store is live. All right, we are done. All right, that's it. That is literally done. Guys, we just hit the 5-minute timer and our store is completely done, except the fact that it needs a few changes. Of course, I'm gonna take my time with that, but we have a complete Shopify store with fulfillment, with ads credit and everything in less than 5 minutes, guys. This is insane. This is crazy. And you guys could literally do this too. That's nuts. Wow. I'm pretty sure I could change my theme as well, but that's the theme that they have given me. But again, this was so quick and so crazy, guys. We have a build your store theme, version 12, which honestly doesn't look bad, but of course we can tweak it a lot and change a few things here and there. Yeah, we have announcement bar, we have the free shipping, we have welcome to our store, we have the products, we have our customer satisfaction, and we have all of the social medias that we need to link. But bro, that was so quick. That was insane, guys. In 5 minutes we literally got done building a complete Shopify store. And if you guys want to do this, and if you guys want to create your own Shopify store and get multiple winning products of different niches, all you have to do is literally click on the link below, build your store /Ehsanszz, and you guys will be able to avail the offer of $1 Shopify for the next 30 days. And apart from that, a lot more discounts. Let me check the settings. We are done with our Shopify store. I'm pretty sure people can come and purchase. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can purchase. And of course, there's a few changes that you guys need to do, but that's easy. As long as I have the store, everything else is easy. So, alright, if you guys see that this store cannot accept payments, it's quite simple. All you have to do is go to settings, click on payments, and right over here, just choose manual payment method and add cash on delivery, activate cash on delivery, and you guys will be able to have this checkout issue gone. So then go to checkout and make sure that everything is set here. Yeah, boys, we literally have complete order. We have the complete checkout, and we have the store ready with a complete order of 79 dirhams, guys. This is how quick it was. If I had Shopify, if I was logged into Shopify on my phone, I would probably see this. But guys, we just built the store and we already have an order. That is crazy. We built the store in 5 minutes and under, and we already are accepting orders, which means that the store is completely running, and I can literally send the store to anyone and they would be able to go and purchase from my store. But of course, you guys gotta integrate all of the other fulfillment services and everything else that comes around. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think this was one of the most fun videos I've created in a very long time, and inshallah I'll create more for you guys. But 5 minutes and under sounds insane. Alhamdulillah, we got it done, I think, in the last seconds. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.